Hello, this video is to test your body cavity knowledge. Once again, there's a definition or sometimes a fill in the blank or a list in the center of the note card. I will give you several seconds to answer and then I will give you the answer. So a blank is any fluid-filled space. The answer, of course, is a body cavity. Can you list the 8 body cavities? The answer is the cranial cavity, the vertebral cavity, the pleural cavity, the thoracic cavity, the pericardial cavity, the abdominal cavity, the abdominopelvic cavity, and the pelvic cavity. The blank cavity is the fluid-filled space between the visceral pleura of each lung. The answer is the pleural cavity. The blank cavity is the chamber that is protected by the rib cage. The answer is the thoracic cavity. Think of that as the location of the thoracic vertebra. The blank cavity is the fluid-filled sac containing the heart. The answer is the pericardial cavity. The membranous partition between 2 body cavities is called what? The mediastinum. The blank cavity contains the reproductive organs, the urinary bladder, the colon, and the rectum. The answer is the pelvic cavity. The blank cavity contains the lower portion of the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the colon, the rectum, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas, the spleen, the kidneys, and the urinary bladder. This is the abdominal cavity. The body cavity that consists of both the abdominal and pelvic cavities is called what? The answer is the abdominopelvic cavity. The brain is located in which cavity? The answer is the cranial cavity. The spinal cord is located in which cavity? The answer is the vertebral cavity. The abdominopelvic cavity is partitioned into 6 regions. Can you list them? The answer is the hypochondriac, the epigastric, the lumbar, the umbilical, the iliac, and the hypogastric. The blank region of the abdominopelvic cavity is part of the abdomen on both sides of the epigastric region. The answer is the hypochondriac region. The blank region is located in the central portion of the abdomen. This is part of the abdominopelvic cavity. This is the epigastric region. The small intestine, the right kidney, the gallbladder, and the liver is located in which region of the abdominopelvic cavity? The answer is the right hypochondriac. The left kidney and the descending portion of the colon are located in which region of the abdominopelvic cavity? The answer is the left lumbar. The duodenum, ileum, and the jejunum and the umbilicus are located in which region of the abdominal pelvic cavity? The answer is the umbilical region. The cecum and the appendix are located in which region of the abdominal pelvic cavity? The answer is the right iliac region. The adrenal glands, the spleen, the pancreas, the duodenum, liver, and the stomach are located in which abdominopelvic region? The answer is the epigastrium, or the epigastric region. The pancreas, the left kidney, the colon, and spleen are located in which region of the abdominopelvic cavity? The answer is the left hypochondrium. The right colon, liver, and gallbladder are located in which abdominopelvic region? The answer is the right lumbar. The sigmoid colon and the descending colon are located in which abdominopelvic cavity? The answer is the left iliac. The female reproductive organs, as well as the sigmoid colon and urinary bladder, are located in which region of the abdominopelvic cavity? The answer is the hypogastric region, or the hypogastrium.